for the Karnataka bypolls, a Congress neta's remark on Dr. Ambedkar has now sparked off a massive row. Saeed Azimpur Khadri, a former Congress MLA, has triggered a controversy when he said that Dr. Ambedkar was on the verge of converting to Islam but eventually became a Buddhist. He also said that things would have been different if Dr. Ambedkar was a Muslim and Dr. Parmeshwara, who is Karnataka Home Minister, would have been Peer Sahaba Ramappa, would have been Rahim, and Hanumata Gowda would have been Hassan, according to him.
ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಯಾದವ್ ಸಾಹೇಬರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬಹುದು. ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಸ್ಲಾಂ ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ಆ ಇಸ್ಲಾಂ ಧರ್ಮ ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೌದ್ಧ ಧರ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದರು. ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಬಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಇಸ್ಲಾಂ ಧರ್ಮ ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ತಿಮ್ಮಾಪುರ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ರಾಮಪ್ಪ ಸರ್. ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಬಾಬಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಅವರು ಬೌದ್ಧ ಧರ್ಮ ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಇಸ್ಲಾಂ ಧರ್ಮ ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಓದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಮಪ್ಪ ತಿಮ್ಮಾಪುರ ಹೋಗಿ ರಹೀಂ ಸಾಬ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜಿ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೀರ್ ಸಾಬ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು, ಹನುಮಂತಗೌಡರು ಹೋಗಿ ಹಸನ್ ಸಾಬ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು, ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ತಿಮ್ಮಾಪುರ ಹೋಗಿ.
So the statements have attracted sharp criticism from the BJP, who has termed this as an insult to Ambedkar and accused the party of distorting his views.
Ambedkar ji ka apman is Congress ki only pehchan, and now Congress has gone a step ahead and has made very controversial comments about the conversion of Ambedkar ji also. Congress party distorts his views just like they distorted the preamble, and the person making this comment is perhaps trying to create a fake narrative. If he's so concerned about the solidarity that he's trying to show, then he must tell us that whether he will support SC and ST reservation in AMU, or will he and his party stand against it.
Well, the counter that is coming from the BJP side, let's also put out what the Union Minister Kiran Rijiju has to say. After this row over Congress Neta's remarks on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Union Minister Kiran Rijiju has slammed and has called this as an insult to Ambedkar, and has also asked the leaders from the opposition to refrain from distorting facts and misleading the people. Yes, Pratibha, what is the Union Minister saying?
So reaction coming in from Kiran Rijiju, Amita, and this is his tweet. He has said that this is a bid to destroy the legacy of Baba Saheb. Kiran Rijiju speaking about that statement, saying the Congress leader Syed Azimpur's statement that Ambedkar almost became Muslim but he eventually became a Buddhist is wrong. Baba Saheb B.R. Ambedkar's views are well documented in his own books. Please don't mislead and destroy the legacy of Baba Saheb. But it's not just Kiran Rijiju. Amit Malviya of the BJP has also taken to social media X, and he says that the former Congress leaders claim that Baba Saheb Ambedkar was all set to convert to Islam is bogus and fake. He had nothing but contempt for Islam, saying Baba Saheb had called Islam a closed corporation, a brotherhood of Muslims for Muslims only. His powerful words are well documented in his book, Pakistan or Partition of India. Opposition's attempt to forge a social coalition between the Dalits and Muslims is a mirage and will never succeed. And this is a quote that he has put out of B.R. Ambedkar, and he says it is from his book that B.R. Ambedkar had made his views very clear on the religion, Amita.
All right, Pratibha, thank you for that. This is how the BJP and union ministers are reacting. However, when Congress was asked the same opinion on their own leader's remark or the statement, it seems to be a divided house over this controversy, and meanwhile has attempted to distance itself. Congress MLA Rizwan Arshad said that Azimpur is not a significant leader with the party and one must refrain from making such statements. He also said that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is beyond all religion.
I don't know. It has not come from any very significant senior man, so I don't think so. It needs to be answered. So, Dr. Ambedkar is a revered figure for all of us. Out of affection, everybody wants to create a connection. Definitely, people might have that time also asked, requested him to consider coming into. It's such a big asset for the country, Dr. Ambedkar. He would have been an asset to any community. So any community would have loved to invite him to their fold.
Well, Deepa, good afternoon. This seems to be a controversy that the Congress party doesn't seem to invite or talk much about it, saying that the man who made such statements is insignificant and not much importance should be given to his statement.
Well, in fact, I spoke to a Congress leader who was at that event yesterday while the statement was made, and he outrightly slams the statement by Mr. Khadri, saying that, no leader, no congressman should, really connect Ambedkar to any one particular religion, because, he was a person who respected all religions and took the best out of all of them. So there seems to be a lot of difference in opinion that's emerging within the Congress party itself over this statement now. And interestingly, especially with 3 bypolls here in Karnataka, with other elections, these sort of statements that Congress leaders are making during the campaign trail, one after the other, is definitely something that the Congress leadership will be worried about. And, they'll be hoping that they do hold back on some controversial comments which will have a negative impact or give an opportunity to the BJP to slam them, just like what has happened in this particular case.
Oh, they have already started to do that. As far as the counter coming in from the BJP side, asking the leaders from the opposition, in particular the Congress, to refrain from distorting the facts. Let's put out more reactions from the BJP side. BJP intensifying its attack on the Congress over the controversial remarks on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, where BJP leader C.T. Ravi saying that by his remarks, the former Congress MLA Saeed Azimpur has exposed his ignorance and has suggested to read Ambedkar's book, Thoughts on Pakistan, that expresses his views on Islam.
उनका बात तो अज्ञान का प्रदर्शन है। इस्लाम के बारे में अंबेडकर जी ने क्या कहा? उन्हें अंबेडकर जी का थॉट्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान किताब पढ़ेगा तो सच मालूम होता है। इस्लाम के बारे में क्या कहा है उन्हें? अंबेडकर जी ने कहा इस्लाम के अंदर इंटॉलरेंसी है, सारे मैनकाइंड को ब्रदर ऐसा नहीं मानता है इस्लाम, ऐसा अंबेडकर जी ने कहा। और दूसरा, उन्होंने अंबेडकर जी ने लिखा है थॉट्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान में, इक्वालिटी नहीं है इस्लाम में।
All right, so the BJP calling it ignorance on part of the Congress and asking the leaders there to go through as far as what has been penned by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar himself on his thoughts, on his views with regards to what B.R. Ambedkar thought of Islam. We are having another reaction now that is now coming in on part of the Congress party on how they have been reacting to their leader's statement.
BJP doesn't have to take an advantage of everything what is possible in the elections as such. When Kadri was speaking, I was there in the dais. Kadri also cannot make such a statement, blanket statement saying that Ambedkar has wanted to go to Islam and all. That is all ridiculous and nonsense. We don't agree. Ambedkar respected all the religions and he wanted to take all the good parts of every religion and see that humanity is in place. Ambedkar and all, they should not use for political reasons like this, and Kadri, what is spoken also is unwarranted. And BJP taking advantage of this kind of statements also